Floki Inu versus Popcat. Which meme coin will be the next big thing in crypto? This is what I want us to discuss in today's video. If you are new here, you are welcome. If say you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome as well. Today I want us to look at these meme coins, Floki Inu and Popcat, and let's see which meme coin is gonna be the best or the big thing in cryptocurrency. Now we are here on CryptoBubbles as usual to get some data regarding these meme coins. Look at Popcat. Popcat is down for the month 4%, for the week 9%, for the day 4.3%, and for the hour 1.6%. Even though we are seeing other coins, altcoins doing so bad, but this coin is in good strength. So let's look at Floki Inu. Floki Inu is up for the year 230%, for the month 0.2%, for the week 0.5%, for the day 1.8%, for the hour 0.1%. This is a good data. If say we have to look at the entire crypto market. This is awesome. And if you can see here, Floki Inu, the rank is 58, and if we go to Popcat, the rank is 110. So someone is trying to catch up with someone, and I think Popcat is that one, is a coin which is trying to catch up with Floki Inu. But we're gonna go deeper into this to find out like what is about these coins that is making investors to want to dive into it big time. Let's begin with Popcat. Let's look at the data here. Look at Popcat, guys. This is the supply which is in circulation, and this is a total supply. So everything is out there, and you can see the volume is increasing. It's now up 36.63%, which means there are investors that are really investing or that are trading this coin. And if we look at Floki Inu, we're gonna see that it's almost similar. The volume is also increasing, and the volume is so high. And if you look at the supply, it's almost the same. Look at this, it's almost the same supply. And if we go to Twitter, X, now X, you're gonna see that Popcat have 57.5k followers on X. And if we scroll down to look at their engagement, you see that they have pretty good engagements. Look at their posts, their views, their likes, their retweet. So I think this coin has a community that is retweeting, they are posting, they are liking, and they are engaging with the tweets of Popcat. Now let's look at Floki Inu. Floki Inu has 616 followers on X, and the same thing you can look at their post, 2.9 million. This one alone, if we scroll down, you're gonna see this one 5.6k, almost the same as Popcat. You're gonna see this as well, 25k. This, and yeah, so Floki to an extent gets more engagement than Popcat. So looking at the chart of Popcat on the daily time frame, you can clearly see that Popcat have made this huge move to the upside, and now we are seeing retracement. So the chart of Popcat looks somehow great because I think it's respecting TA. Look at this trend line here. Each time price comes to this trend line, we see a bounce. So Popcat is in an uptrend, it's making higher highs and higher lows. So you can see clearly what is going on here. But ever since price came to this zone here, price has been having difficulties breaking to go and make the next all-time high for Popcat. Popcat went right up to about 1 billion market cap, which is great. And if we look at Floki Inu, the chart of Floki Inu right now, we can also see that Floki Inu is looking somehow so great. Ever since we saw this huge pump to the upside, price has been holding this structure. Yeah, price is still in structure, but I'm so concerned about Floki Inu because price is forming this downward trend here, which might be a bullish signal. Price might be doing this, but it's preparing to bounce to the upside. For example, if say we see price do something like this, if price is able to hold this zone here, then price do something like this, move sideways, then price can pump, go up, then retest this zone before going back to the upside. So I think maybe if say Bitcoin is gonna do so well, then Floki Inu is gonna hold this zone. The next move is gonna be to the upside. But if Bitcoin is not able to hold where it is right now, I think we can see Floki Inu break and come to right down towards this area. So this is the area where I'm looking at, this area where the vector candles are, these zones here. So I think they can push price around this area here. There's huge liquidity here that they have here grab. They can push price here quickly, for a week, and then eat all of this liquidity, then drive price back to the upside. So I think looking at Floki Inu, we still have some awesome upside. If we go to the rank, as I mentioned, Floki Inu, let's go back to CryptoBubbles. You can see here, this is against Bitcoin. The rank is 110, and you look at the market cap, 8.858 Bitcoin, for Popcat. And if we go to Floki Inu, you're gonna see that Floki Inu is 20,650 Bitcoin. And if we go and look at it based on USD, then you're gonna see that it's 1.11 billion for Floki Inu. And if we go and do the same for Popcat, Popcat is around 475.72 million. So we have more upside for Popcat. Now, guys, for us to determine which one is the best, we have to look at which one has been here for a long time and which one is here for like just this year or not long enough. I would say that, or we all know that Floki Inu has been here for a long time, and Floki Inu have transitioned to a metaverse or a blockchain or a really good project. Let me not say blockchain because it's not yet a blockchain. It's Shiba Inu that has a blockchain, but Floki Inu is in the gaming sector. They have built so many games, and they are building their platforms. Having utility, coming up with new product. But Popcat is just meme coin based on community, nothing yet. So I would say that looking at risk reward factor, Floki Inu is the go coin. If say you want something long term, of course you can make money from Popcat because you can see Popcat still have more upside. If we compare it with Floki Inu, but I would say overall both coins are good. But if say you want to choose one, over the other, you have to ask yourself how long you want to be investing in that coin and how patient you are to wait until the coin yields fruits or yields results. Yeah, real fruit means that the coin is going to make you profit. So I think, like, again, looking at these two coins, you should decide based on what you think is good for you. But when you look at the data, past result and current result, then I would say that Popcat has done so well recently, more than Floki Inu. It has really done so much recently, more than Floki Inu. But if say we are looking at the OGs, Floki Inu is the big boy. So you have to understand all of this before you make any decision out there between Popcat. You can just hold all of them at the same time. Of course, you can decide to have 60% in Popcat and then 40% in Floki Inu. In this case, you have both coins to make profit with. But I think that Popcat have more upside than Floki Inu. So that's my analysis. None of them is bad. All of them are good coins. And looking at, their community, looking at their engagement, looking at the utilities, looking at, price action, what it has done before and what it's doing now, looking at market cap, volume, everything, I think both coins have a place in the crypto space. So go and do your own due diligence before you get involved in any of these coins. I'm doing this for entertainment purpose only, so make sure you go and do your own due diligence. Having said all this good stuff, see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Ciao.